These are my newest plantings. Look, I just dropped the seeds on top and took the seed packets for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna do this the easy way. Take this beautiful dirt I got at Walmart and put a little dirt on top of the seeds. The scooper was like a buck and I love it. And we're gonna water them and see what we get. Maybe a little late in the season for me, but we're gonna give it a try. Yes, those are birds. It's spring. All right, marigolds, Shasta daisies, bachelor buttons, and kale. Let's go.